What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A31. Now, as of the recording of this video, you can get this on Amazon for $223. Link to that will be in the description below. So let's start off with taking a look at the box. We have an all-white box with the phone printed right on here. We have the model number, the A31, and it seems like you have a Samsung promotion Google One 100 gigabytes. So there you go, you get a promotion for buying it. To the back here, pretty much just a blank white. We have modeling and branding right here, and it's a pretty simple box, nothing too fancy going on here. All right, I got my Swiss Army blade. Let's cut right into it. And as always, remember, if your seal's broken, something's wrong. You might want to either exchange it, or, you know, if it's good to go, you can continue to use it. All right, pop this open. Let's pull the top right here. Get the phone out. All right, accessory-wise, let's see what we get. All right, so right there, that's your SIM ejector tool, just in case you need to, you know, put in your SIM or swap out for SD card storage. We have some headphones right here. Oh, interesting. So these are not the bud design. This is, I forgot what this design is called, but it's kind of nice to see this one. Pretty cool. We have, of course, USB Type-C, standard cable with Samsung devices. And then we have a adaptive fast charger. Now, let's see if we can see what wattage this is going to charge at. There we go. There you go. Now, of course, full spec list will be in the description below, or I'll just pop it up on the screen somewhere. And of course, we have our reading materials. Whoa, I did not expect this. It comes with a case. Wow, first Samsung phone that I've ever seen that comes with a included case. That's pretty cool. Thank you, Samsung. I wish all your devices came with an included case. And of course, we have our instruction and quick start guides. All right, so let's take a quick look at the phone. We're going to peel off the front right here. Now, we have a few features before we do that. You're going to get an Infinity U display, quad camera, and an on-screen fingerprint. So not bad for $223. You're getting some high-end features right there. All right, first impression. Feel of the phone. Has some weight to it. It doesn't feel, you know, super cheap or low tier. All right, now this is a plastic back, but it does have a nice sheen to it. I'm not sure if you guys can quite get what I'm trying to say, but it has a really nice sheen. So even though it's plastic, it does give off a premium look thanks to that nice sheen right there. It's actually better looking than my Samsung Galaxy FE. S20 FE. I kind of prefer this over the kind of matte plastic bag the FE has. So right here we have 4 cameras. What seems to be 4 cameras. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. We have our flash right there. Nice Samsung branding. Pretty nice. I love the color. It's a nice blue color as well. Alright, so this side here we have your volume rocker, of course, and your power button. And on this side we have your SIM tray and SD card slot, or what I would hope is an SD card slot. Let's go ahead and try that SIM ejector tool just to be sure. There we go. Now I am right-handed, so this is kind of awkward to do since it's on the left side of the phone, but let's see. All right, what do we get? And there we go. So it is a dual SIM phone, so you can rock 2 numbers, 2 different carriers. And yes, we do have SD card storage, so pretty nice. We have your front-facing camera. We have your one mic, and to the bottom here we have headphone jack, a 3.5mm headphone jack. That's pretty nice to see. USB Type-C, another mic, and your speaker. And that's the hardware of the phone. Let's go ahead and power it on. But before we do that, we're gonna slap the case on. Actually, let's take a quick look at the case. Pretty simple, nice silicone case, all clear. It feels nice. It doesn't feel super cheap. Slap that on. Perfect fit. Look at that. Perfect fit. That is nice. It feels really good, actually. Wow. I'm really surprised that Samsung was able to include that case. Pretty nice. I wish for their high-end phone for $1,200, $1,000 plus, and even the FE for $750. I mean, a nice case like this would be appreciated. Granted, I did pre-order my S20 FE and I got a choice of a silicone case, but you know, nonetheless, this is a pretty nice case. All right, we're gonna wait till it boot up. I'm gonna plug my information in, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Remember earlier when we were checking out the box right here, the Google One was in Spanish for some reason. Turns out the default language when you turn the phone on to set up is also in Spanish. So it might have been that this was made for a Spanish country by chance, Spanish speaking country, but of course you can go ahead and change it to English. There we go, English USA, and you're good to go. That kind of caught me off guard because usually when I order one of these phones or unbox one of these phones, the setup is always in English, so that was kind of different. So here I am at the home screen. Now before we continue checking out the device, let's check out some specs. So here I am on GSM Arena, where you can literally get the in-depth spec list of any smartphone you can throw on there. So I went ahead and typed in Samsung Galaxy A31, and right off the bat we have 4 main specs. The 6.4-inch screen measuring at 1080 by 2400 pixels. We have a 48 megapixel camera shooting video at 1080p, and we also have 4 to 8 gigabyte RAM option, which I did not know. So let's see which one we have here. We're going to quickly go to settings. We're going to type on device care, and there we go. I have the 4 gigabyte option, which is more than enough for what this user is going to be using this device for. All right, moving on. To my surprise, this device has a 5000 mAh battery. Now that is going to easily take you through an entire day, and if you're very good with using your phone, possibly 2 days. So huge thumbs up to Samsung for shoving a 5000 milliamp battery in that device. Now if you scroll on here on GSM Arena, you will get more in-depth specs on this device or any other device that you guys out there might want to search for. So link to this will be in the description below. Alrighty, so let's take a look at the phone. We're going to be starting off by taking a look at this wallpaper. This is a pretty nice wallpaper. Super colorful. I am liking this wallpaper. Also, check out the screensaver. That lock screen wallpaper / screensaver is amazing. Pretty dope. Alright, now in addition to that, there are 4 things or several things we're going to be taking a look at. We're going to be checking out the mic quality, the sound quality, the camera quality, and of course the texting quality. That's pretty much the things we use our phone for. So let's start off by checking out the texting on this. Texting should be the same as with any smartphone. I'm just going to go here and just type something. Let's see. Hello. Oops. What? Oh, my texting is not that great. What are you doing? Keyboard is really responsive. I'm liking that. So you shouldn't have a problem with, texting on this. Pretty nice. There's no lag to it. Awesome. Keyboard is a win. Let's test out the mic. What's the weather?
It's 50 degrees and cloudy in Jamaica, New York, 11419.
When is Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving in United States will be on Thursday, November 26, 2020.
And there you have it. The mic works perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and test out sound. We're going to go over to YouTube here. We're going to load up some non-copyright music. Now the phone is pretty snappy for 4 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, there is a slight delay, but keep in mind this is a budget phone coming in $223. I've mentioned that several times throughout the video. So, don't think of comparing this to one of those super high-end flagships. It does work, it's pretty responsive. All right, let's click on that one. Of course, we're gonna have to waste, go through the ads. There we go. Okay, so that is maximum volume. Now you do not get stereo speakers on this. You're just gonna get that mono speaker, and it's at the bottom. If you go ahead and cover here, nothing comes from here. Mono speaker. It's not, of course, the best speaker, judging from the sound, but it does get the job done, and it does work, which is the most important thing. Alright, so let's test out gaming on here. I went ahead and downloaded 2 of my favorite games that I still play to this day. we're going to go with Pokemon Go. Yes, some people are like, you still play Pokemon Go? But it is a pretty good game. Niantic has done a good job throwing updates on there just so the game doesn't get boring. And it's one of the few games that I actually play that uses AR. So, why not? There we have Mega Gengar, Ghastly, and a few, other Pokemon there. So loading time is not as fast as on my iPhone or my FE, but it loads. There's no lag on there. Look at that. Super smooth. Let's try to catch this Magnemite. Okay. Not gonna be able to test out the AR, but it does work. We're gonna say it will work. I tested it out on I guess lower end phones and it worked perfectly fine, so I could only imagine it works on this with no issues. This Magnemite is being a pain. I never thought catching a Magnemite would be such a problem, so we're gonna hit it with a golden raspberry. That should improve our catch chances here. And there we go. So if Pokemon Go is going to be one of the games you're going to be playing on this device, there you have it. Pokemon Go works perfectly fine. Alright, now for a bigger game, we're going to try Call of Duty. Now this is a perfect test to see load time on here. Let's see. Okay, validating. Okay, it seems to be loading at a decent rate. Now, I went ahead and created a test account, so this is not my main account. And I'm not the best Call of Duty player, but it is a fun game to play nonetheless. We're going to go guest, as I don't want to load any of my emails in there. This is just a test account. Loading. Alright, so there we are. Load speed, not the fastest, but we did get in without any issues. We're going to go over and play a multiplayer game. Going to hit start. Now, I'm going to be playing this looking through my camera that I'm recording from. So, do not butcher me if I am terrible at this game. Or if it looks like I'm terrible. Because it's kind of hard. There's a few seconds delay looking through a camera. To what's going on the phone. Okay. Well, I totally missed that. Come on, let me get at least one kill. Come on, give me a kill. Oh, whoa. What was that? Well, I knew what was that. Okay, where am I going? Okay, let's kill this guy. Okay, I officially suck at this. Actually, it's a little challenging to play. Don't die. Let me kill somebody. Oh, I died. Alright, so we're gonna just stop. You know what? Let me just get a kill. Let's just get one kill, everybody. Come on, give me one kill. Let me kill this guy. Yes, there we go. We got one kill in. So, as you can see, Call of Duty works, decent on this. It works actually really good. The graphics is really good. The sensitivity on the screen is not that bad. My movement is pretty good. But it's really hard to play looking through this camera. Alright, so that's gaming for you. Phone works perfectly fine with all the basic uses that we normally use our phone for, as you guys have just seen. So I think in my book, this is definitely a buy if you're looking for a budget phone, especially a branded budget phone. Samsung comes with a case. It looks really nice. Oh, the camera, it has 4 cameras on there. I almost forgot to test out the camera. So I'm going to take a picture here of my Swiss Army blade. And I'm going to throw it up on the screen. There we go. How does that look? It actually looks really nice, to be honest with you. Check that out. Really nice picture. And I'm also going to throw it up on the screen somewhere. Really can't go wrong. Camera quality, pretty decent. For $223, in my opinion, you can't go wrong with this. You're getting 128 gigs, 4 gigs of RAM, a huge 5,000 milliamp battery, and gaming works fine there. Call of Duty works fine. Everything works on the phone that you would typically use your phone for. So definitely check this out if you're in the market for a budget phone. And with that, that's where I'm going to end the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Drop a comment down below if you have anything to say about this phone or any recommendations for future videos. And as always, everybody, thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.